Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Incognito Mode on Android browser. Let's get started. First of all, open your Android browser on your phone and I'm going to go with Google Chrome. So just tap on Google Chrome, and if you want to turn on the Incognito Mode on Android browser, we can click on this three dots button. Then you just need to click on New Incognito tab. And alright guys, now I'm in the incognito mode and my screen maybe has turned into a black screen since I'm in incognito mode. So we can't record screen while we're in incognito mode. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn or use incognito mode on Android browser. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.